The face is snatched. It still gives natural. I feel like it gives classy. It's delicious. It's yummy. My girly pal, welcome to my bathroom, and today we are going to do the clean girl makeup look. If you don't like a full glam, you don't like to put a lot of foundation, or you think it doesn't look good on you, you just want to have a simple, natural, clean look, this video is for you. And I'm going to walk you guys step by step, and by the end of this video, hopefully you will know how to do a simple clean girl look. Okay, let's get straight to business. Okay, so first thing first, we have to start with a clean base. I already took my shower. I already did my skincare routine for the morning. I prepped my face with the raw glazed milk. I just started using this last week and it's really good. So I already put this on my face to prep my face for my makeup. And first thing first, we are going to hide all this dark spot hyperpigmentation on my face, because to hide all my dark spot, I have two products that I love. You can use the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I use that every day in all my makeup. Full glam, simple glam, everyday glam. This is my go-to. I love this. So if you want another effective product to hide your hyperpigmentation, I recommend the Maybelline Sticks Lifter. This is really good and it's affordable. I think it's less than $12. It's literally like my skin, and I just have to take this and put it on my hyperpigmentation. You see, it's gone. I put it everywhere. I have hyperpigmentation here, everywhere. I'll just come with my little brush and just blend. And just like that, hyperpigmentation is gone, and I didn't use a lot of products. So we have a clean base for our makeup. For a very good clean girl look, you don't really need to do your brows, but I love to do my eyebrows, so I will just go ahead and do my eyebrows. I like to use very thin pencils like that. This is the NYX in the shade Espresso, and I think this is the universal shade for every dark skin girl. And yeah, that's it. Just like that, I have my brows. Boom, that's it. And you can take the rest of the product on the pencil and just clean the top. You don't have to like add more products. Just the rest on the pencil. Just clean up. Next up is going to be foundation, but because we already covered our hyperpigmentation, I don't think I'm going to use foundation. But if you want to use foundation when you do your little clean girl makeup look, you have to use a lightweight foundation that literally gives skin. I recommend the Giorgio Armani foundation. I love this. It's very lightweight, or you can use something like the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. It's very lightweight as well, and it's very good for like every single day. If I have to use foundation today, I will use this one, but I don't think we'll need it, so we'll just move straight up to concealer. So for concealer, we are going to use my two new favorite concealer, which is Hourglass. I love it. I literally just found out about this week, and this is so good. We are going to put a little bit, because it's a clean girl look, so it's not a full glam. We are not going to do too much. We're going to use a little bit of this. You can also put a little bit in the middle of your nose right here. I don't like to put concealer on my forehead, but if it's something that you like, or if you want to hide something, you can use it. Personally, I don't like to put concealer on my forehead. If I have a little bit of foundation over there, I'm good. So I never blend my concealer right away. I let it sit so it can just dry down a little bit. So in the meantime, I'm going to just contour my face. Because it's a clean girl makeup look, you don't need to do too much, but I will still contour my face just a little bit. So I just come with my lip lifter, and I'll just put it on my forehead, and I'll put it here and here. You see how brown it is, but it's not too dark. So I use this one when I do like a clean girl makeup look, because it's like brown but not too brown. And I really like the finish of this one. The finish is very, very pretty. It's a little bit warm. I don't know if it makes sense. I love the finish of this because it's very warm and it's easy to blend. It literally blends like butter. It's so easy to blend. To blend my concealer, I always use a brush first and then a powder puff next. So you can use an angle brush, a little bit dense like that. This one is from It Cosmetics. And I just start my blending at the bottom. So you blend from the bottom right here upward. Does it make sense? You have to blend from the bottom upward like that. Like the very end. Like the very end right here. That's where you start. And you go upward. Like that. You see how I lift the concealer? You just have to go upward to get the lift look without touching this part. You do the same thing here too. Here. And you just go up. Don't touch this part. You don't touch this part yet. I'm going to show you what we are going to do next. So when you finish blending the bottom, you are going to go with a powder puff. The powder puff is this one. You take a powder puff, you will need a setting spray. I love the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, but you can use any setting spray basically. So I go with my setting spray, I spray a little bit. I didn't put a little bit, but you have to put a little bit. I put a little bit on my powder puff, and I will now blend the rest of my concealer. You have to go lightly. You cannot have a heavy hand when you blend your concealer. When you blend anything, you just go lightly, like a light hand. You cannot have a heavy hand at all when you do your makeup. See? Very lightly. So you have to do crazy face so you can get into every single crease, okay? So you do like that. So you just have to. Okay, at this point, you can move to powder, but because I'm extra, I'm going to add a little bit of foundation right here, because if you remember, I didn't put no concealer on my forehead. One pump, a little bit. And with my flat brush, I'll just add some here on my forehead. Just a little bit. And when you do your makeup, never forget to put a little bit of your foundation on your neck, because most of the time here it's a little bit darker than here. So I always put a little bit of foundation here so it can have the same color as here. Okay. At this point, my girl, we have the base. The base is here. Everything is blended. Everything looks good, okay? You have to take your powder. I love the one size powder. Take your powder puff, a clean one, and you are going to set your makeup. You have to make funny face at this point because you need to get into every crease. Now you have to go with your bronzer, okay? And don't forget your nose, girl. And you can use the excess to actually do your eyes. A smaller nose. If you have a wide nose like me, you need to do it, absolutely. We have to set the full face, okay? And for that, you need a powder. I really like foundation powder. So L'Oreal have some good foundation powder, but I'm using the Sephora one. This is really good. Honestly, this is the Micro Smooth powder. And it's really good. And this is the number 65. I think that's the last one for dark skin. You see that? You see how good the makeup look? It's giving what? Skin. And this is very much tea, okay? This is exactly how you want your makeup to look. I forgot to add my liquid blush, but we can use powder blush. This is the Sephora powder blush, and as you can see, I've been using this. Like, I'm obsessed with this blush. Here in the middle, in between my concealer and my bronzer, I'll add my blush. Right in the middle, and I'll go upward so I can have a snatch look. And always with your fan, you will dry everything. So my girly pop, at this point, we know how to achieve a simple clean girl look makeup. We are going to finish everything with a quick little lip combo, and I'm going to go with the Morphe Trendsetter. And I go with the NYX Creme Brulee. So now we are going to put our mascara because it's a clean girl look, so we don't really need lashes. So I go with my brown mascara from YSL. I'll put a little bit here. Can you see? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love this. That's it. We have a very clean girl makeup. Very beautiful, very simple, very classy. Let me know in the comment what you think about the look. Personally, it's delicious, it's yummy, the face is snatched, it still gives natural. I feel like it gives classy. Honestly, me, I'm not a baddie anymore. I literally left the baddie era in the past. I'm a clean, classy, grown woman, babe. You know, vibe. That's my new vibe. So yeah, what do you guys think about the look personally? I love it. I'm obsessed, and hell yeah, it's giving. Okay, my girly pop, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love this makeup look. I'm going to let everything that I use down in the description box so you guys can shop if you like it. And yeah, let me know in the comment down below what you think about it, and if you want to see more of beauty video, let me know in the comment down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.